What's going on, gang? We're back and I'm excited. It's the final one for the stairs, okay? I think you're going to like what you see. But the main thing is that you subscribe, you press that button. You might as well do it now before you start the video, before you forget. I'll remind you anyway. However, I do love this project. You know what? I don't even want to talk about it no more, y'all. Happy to see y'all. Let's start the video.
Every single day, I'll be making moves till I'm dead in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway, it's a nice range. Cause I'm going through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. Better see with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran, said no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
Real quick, just finished the painting. So as you can see, now I'm just waiting to make sure it's dry. Once I make sure it's dry, I'm clean up and gloss it. Complete. All right, job done. The only thing that I want to say about it earlier, as y'all seen when I was doing a little buff and sanding, the only reason why I did that is the stairs, you know, just to get some of that extra dirt, excess stuff that might be sticking out on that old paint, you know, the chipping. I was trying to kind of get that covered a little bit. Did the best I could. It ain't perfect, but it don't look too bad. And so that's it, y'all. I'll be right back.
If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet. Fuse won't have it till I'm in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, it tastes mine. Gonna stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Listen the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
The floor right now has been pulled up just like the floor down in the basement. I'm gonna eventually cover that so it's not a big deal. So you're not trying to spend a lot of money, but you're trying to get your house to look decent. Now I just gotta do this side, and it's gonna look like a nice staircase. Alright you guys, after all that hard work, the steps is now complete. Let's take a look at it. Alright, YouTube family, just so you know, okay, the one thing I didn't mention that I want to mention to you guys was that the mop, I didn't use that. As you can see, I started to use a bucket and I used a microfiber towel and a sponge to clean up the, not even to clean up, but to polish up the stairs to get it nice and shiny. The reason why I didn't use the mop, because it's kind of difficult to use the mop on them stairs, and also if you notice when I opened that bottle, it was solution in there. I didn't feel like transferring it and then putting polish in there because that just would have been too much. Probably would have ruined it too, so glad I didn't do that. But I'm happy with the finishing touches. I hope that you are too. We got a lot more to come. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I think you guys are going to enjoy this content. There are a few more things I want to do to the stairs. However, it's not an emergency or anything like that, and I am really pleased with the finishing touches, so it can't wait. Other than that, you guys, please leave a comment. Let me know if you think I did a good job. I did put a before and after at the very end. If you missed that, please go back and see it. All right, I got some stuff coming up, y'all. I'll be back.